BAOD Extrusion has become one of the leading brands in the global plastic extrusion equipment sector, renowned for its innovation and excellence. Today we are excited to introduce our latest SPVC medical tube extrusion line, designed specifically to meet the high-efficiency, high-quality demands of medical tube production, especially in limited-space, high-speed environments. To meet the specific demands of the medical industry, such as infusion tubes and dialysis tubes, BAOD Extrusion offers an innovative solution. By utilizing a parallel arrangement of cooling and vacuum tanks, combined with advanced servo coiling technology, we have significantly enhanced production efficiency and tripled the cooling efficiency, ensuring that the tubes maintain stable quality even during high-speed extrusion. We understand that many customers face the challenge of limited workshop space. The parallel cooling and vacuum tank solution allows BAOD Extrusion's production line to operate efficiently in compact spaces, making the most of every inch and achieving both high efficiency and high capacity in a confined area. Whether used for infusion, dialysis, or other medical applications, our SPVC medical tube extrusion line ensures that each tube meets international standards, offering excellent mechanical properties and biocompatibility. BAOD Extrusion offers not only advanced equipment, but also a highly skilled R&D team. Our engineers work closely with customers during the design, installation, and commissioning phases, ensuring the production line runs smoothly and reliably, helping customers improve efficiency and reduce costs. We understand the unique needs of each customer. Driven by the differentiation and customization requirements of the extrusion industry, we carefully design every equipment configuration and process detail, ensuring maximum value for our customers. BAOD Extrusion is at the forefront of precision extrusion technology, blending innovation, efficiency, and quality to meet the evolving needs of the medical industry. Choose BAOD Extrusion for all your medical tube production needs, and let's work together for a healthier future.